guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Derek's View. I'm heading to delivery. One of my friend is taking a new bike, so I'm going for that. My friend had invited me. So the delivery is around 5 p.m. So right now it is 4:17. So I thought, why don't we, make a small video of it and talk to you guys also. So I'll go to the main road and continue, boys. Hey, what car is this, dude? Toyota 4WD. Is this a Land Cruiser? The old one. Looks neat, bro. Lovely it is. Wow. Yes, it is the Land Cruiser. Looks beautiful. So finally Bangalore looks green again, with that typical Bangalore weather. It was raining today afternoon and now it looks nice. It's not going to rain, I'm 100% sure, because I don't see any dark clouds. Hopefully it shouldn't rain because I did not wear any of my riding jacket or rain gears. I'm just hoping it shouldn't rain. Chalo. Recently I made a video with BSA Goldstar 650. In that video I said, the bike is a short stroke engine. And in the comment section people said, no, it is a long stroke engine. It also has the 83 mm of stroke size. So guys, first thing, let me, tell you what is the difference between a long stroke and a short stroke engine. So that's what, guys. Take this as an example. This is the piston. Alright, this is the stroke, this is the piston head, and if the piston head diameter is higher than the stroke value, in case the piston bore size, you say the bore size is 100 mm and the stroke size is 80 mm, it comes under short stroke engine. Alright, and if it is like the bore size is like 70 mm and stroke size is 83 mm, it comes under long stroke engine. Alright, so that's the difference. What do we have? What do we have? We have Ganesha or something. Acha, due to Dasara, oh, today is Navaratri. For that, there is something happening. And look at this. Full on festive season in Bangalore, in Karnataka especially. This is Lal Bagh, guys. Lal Bagh Botanical Garden. That's one of the largest parks here in Bangalore. So this is the Suzuki JSX 750, another 750 in our group. That's Gautam Bros. This is Gagan Bros. Sorry. Scorpion exhaust. Looks dope, bro. There's a beautiful beast right here. I hope you guys can hear me, man. The bike is loud, dude. Damn, bro. That looks cool, dude. So all the delivery stuff got over. We took the bike. So we have two 750s in our group now. The Gixxer 750s, Suzuki Gixxer 750s. We got two 750s in our group now. And two Z800 and one Z900. There we have Big Boys Toys. Oh, there's Rolls Royce. There's a Ferrari. I think that's about the video, boys. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And do follow me on Instagram. I keep posting photography reels and other stuff. I'm full exhausted, man. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, tada, bye bye, boys. Ride safe.